everyone, in this video, I will show you how to unhide Threads badge on Instagram profile. So let's just say you accidentally hide your Threads badge on your Instagram. How are you going to unhide this or put it back? So as you can see, if I go to my Instagram, I have my badge here. Now, if you unhide it or you just deleted it accidentally, then there's no option here that you can unhide this or put it back. If you tap this Threads badge here, it will take you directly to Threads. You cannot see any option here that you can hide or put back your threads. So the best thing to do here is you have to go to your settings and privacy, scroll down, and then here you have to look for help, click report a problem, tap report problem without shaking, click include and continue. And then here, briefly explain what happened, like you accidentally hide your or remove your Threads badge on Instagram. Now you want to put it back. You want to make it visible to your Instagram so that your friends might know that you're currently using Threads. So what you're going to do here is you just have to explain them and then ask a help from them. You can also upload a photo or a screenshot as a proof that you have hide the badge on your or Threads badge on your Instagram. So after that, you just have to click send and then wait for the customer service team to respond and tell you what to do in order for you to unhide or put back your badge here on your Instagram, or specifically your Threads badge on your Instagram. So if you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.